In this class, we'll discuss about trigonometric standard angles. So we'll define the angle and we'll find the exact value of each angle starting from 0 to 2 pi. 0, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 270 degree, 180 degree as well as 360 degree. Before getting to the standard angles, we'll talk about positive angle and negative angle. So we discussed in last class definition of different angle. I mean to say, what do you mean by sin theta, what is mean by cos theta, tangent theta or tan theta, cotangent theta, cot theta, what do you mean by sec theta and what do you mean by cosec theta. So this class will see about positive angle and negative angle. I mean to say positive and negative. So consider a circle with radius OA. If rotate in anti-clockwise direction in this way, then this is positive, theta is positive. Okay. If this rotate in anti-clockwise this way, then theta is negative. Consider a OA ray, so it will make an equal angle in both way, in clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise it will create a positive angle, and in clockwise way it is create a negative angle. Draw a perpendicular, okay, such that this is P, this is P dash, this is M. So I will zoom this place and rewrite. So this is your center O, okay, this is your OA, and this place is P, drop a perpendicular, this is theta, okay. Similarly, drop a perpendicular and this is P dash, this is plus theta, this is minus theta, okay. Now we could make out opposite to theta is y, this distance, okay. Similarly, this distance is minus 1. So this distance is x. Am I right? I mean to say OM is positive, OM is positive, but PM is positive, P dash M is negative, P dash M is negative. So then both angles are similar, okay, OPM and OP dash M. Now we know that, what we know? We know that in triangle OMP, what is sin theta? Sin theta equal to opposite side, that is PM divided by OP. PM is y by r. This is r. Okay, radius of the circle. Is it clear? This much everyone clear? So now what about cos theta? Cos theta equal to adjacent side OM divided by OP, that is x by r. Similarly, tan theta. What about tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side, that is PM divided by OM, that is y by r. Similarly, you could define the rest of the three more that you do yourself. Okay, sin will be cosec, cos will be sec theta, tan become cot theta. You can define or you can directly write this is r by y, this is r by x, this will be x by y. Here this is y by x tan theta. Okay. So you could make out, as this is in the first quadrant, this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. So OPM triangle will appear in the first quadrant. So everything, x also positive, y also positive. So you got everything is positive. You could make out everything is positive. But remember, when it is made a negative angle, if this is 30, this is minus 30, then the triangle will appear in the fourth quadrant. When it is comes to fourth quadrant, what is the difference? Only one difference. X again positive, but y coordinate is negative. You can make out. So hope you are able to locate this minus sign. So in triangle OP dash M, very important, OP dash M. So OM is again positive, but MP dash is negative. This is X positive X, this is minus. So what happens? Wherever Y is there, those angles become negative. Tan as Y, so it is negative. Sin as Y, so this will be negative. Okay. So again here cosec will be negative, then cot will be, and only cos is positive, because here in cos and sec there is no y component is involved. So in whenever negative comes, okay, so cos and sec will give a positive value. This is a very important things you should remember. Okay. Only cos and sec will give positive. That means cos of minus theta become always cos theta, positive cos theta. Sec of minus theta become always positive sec theta. So you can make out one by one. So sin theta, what happens sin theta? So this is minus theta. Opposite side is MP dash divided by OP dash. MP dash minus y by r. So this become y by r equal to what happens? This is always negative. So similarly, cos theta, what happens? OM by OP dash. OM is adjacent side. Okay. So this is x positive x, and this will be positive. But tan theta, P dash M by OM, that means minus y by x, so negative. So similarly we will make out cosec, sec and cot theta. So cosec and cot theta involves y coordinate, so it will give minus and this is the most important thing you are supposed to remember. So remember now what we would say directly, okay. Cos of minus theta always positive cos theta. Similarly, sec of minus theta is sec theta. These are the important notes you should remember. Similarly, sin of minus theta is always minus sin theta. Cosec of minus theta equal to minus cosec theta. Similarly, cot of minus theta equal to minus cot theta, and last tan of minus theta equal to minus tan. Example if you want, so sin of minus 30, you are supposed to write it is equal to minus sin 30, directly you can say. Similarly, cos of minus 60, you can say it is just cos 60. Only cos and sec give a positive value, other than all angles will give negative. Similarly, few more things you can note on based on this result. So again, this will move to the P double dash in third quadrant, P triple dash in the fourth quadrant. So keep remember few results based on similar way you can do for second quadrant and third quadrant. What result you get, I will list out. If you take a circle, this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, all angles will be positive. All angles positive. In second quadrant, only sine is positive. Sine is positive. In third quadrant, only cos is positive. Okay. In fourth quadrant, in third quadrant, only tan is positive. Fourth quadrant, only cos is positive. This is the most important result you are supposed to remember. So cos is positive, you are derived. This here, every angle positive we are seeing in the previous video derived. Similarly, just remember here in second quadrant, sine positive means cosec also positive. So in second quadrant, first quadrant, all angles give positive. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, everything will positive in first quadrant. So in second quadrant, only sine give positive. Sine will show positive. Sine as well as if sine give positive means cosec also show positive. I mean to say, so for example, this is 90 pi by 2. This is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, okay? Pi plus anything. So, sine pi by 2 plus 30 degree. How I can say pi by 6 will give a positive. Similarly, cosec pi by 2 plus pi by 3. It is in second quadrant. Am I right? So, it is again positive. But cos of pi by 2 plus pi by 6, if you say, we can say it is directly negative. So except sine and cosec in second quadrant, any angle lies in the second quadrant, make you sure that sine only give a positive angle, rest all angles will be negative. Similarly, in third quadrant, okay, only tan give positive value. Similarly, cot of theta, tan of theta will be positive. Other than tan and cot in third quadrant, everything give negative. Last one is fourth quadrant. We have discussed this before. Cos theta will give positive value. Similarly, sec theta give positive. Other than cos and sec, everything give negative. This is the most important output from this. So how do you remember? Here A, here S, here tan, here cos. Okay. So you can just remember with one simple sentence: all students take coffee. So you can see the first word letters A, S, T, C. All students take coffee. This way you could write, or you can create your own word. So few students make different sentences. So that is just for your creativity. So I am just mentioning the simple one. So no need to tell the complicated or what I could say. No need to joke anything. So better take a simple one. Nothing to worry. Okay. All students take coffee. Just remember that. So all, it is in the first quadrant. Student, it will come in the second quadrant. Take, tea, tan, cot. Come in the third quadrant, and coffee, C. Cos and sec coming in the fourth one. This way you could remember very easily and very simple manner. So try to remember this one word, one sentence, so that your whole sign convention will be very easy. So this is one simple trick you can remember this. Now we'll see the standard angles and the derivation of the value for that particular angle. And this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, 370, 270. This you are supposed to remember. This is 90, this is 180, This is again 360 or 2 pi. So this convention is supposed to remember. So if it is going anti-clockwise, then this positive value. Similarly, this is again minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, again minus 360 in the clockwise direction. This is the convention. Always anti-clockwise give positive value, clockwise give negative. So, and the values we are seeing. So just we'll see the values of fundamental angles. First we'll discuss about the standard angle 0. Angle 0. So what happens when you consider angle 0? This OA doesn't move, or if it is over here with some angle, okay, then it is reduced. What happens when it is reduced? So it is going down such that here x coordinate was there and y coordinate was there. Am I right? When it is coming down, this y coordinate reducing, and this r become equal to x. Am I right? And y become 0. Agree? So it will touch a line only. Now what happens? Here as it becomes 0. And this r equal to x, and there is no y component, y equal to 0. Agree? Everyone agree? Now apply standard definition. That means sine 0 degree equal to what we are seeing, opposite side by hypotenuse. That means y by r. Y component is 0, so it is 0 by r. So anything 0 by anything will be 0. So sine 0 is 0. This is the first thing you are supposed to remember. Similarly, cos 0. Cos 0 what happens? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Am I right? That is x by r. What about x and 1 r? How do we relate here? So when it is 0, x equal to r. Am I right? So r by r, that is equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, tan 0. That means y by x, opposite side by adjacent side. So y becomes 0, 0 by anything will be 0. Am I right? So this is how you are supposed to remember. Okay. Similarly, you can find other two angles with the standard definition, that is cosec 0. This is degree. Okay. So what happens? R by y. So y becomes 0, r by 0 is undefined. Similarly, sec 0, so r by x again is 1, because x equal to r over x. So last one is cot 0 degree, that is x by y. So x by 0 undefined. This is about 0 degree. Now similarly we could calculate for 90. Now you see what I do is, this is my O, this is my A, this is slowly, my angle will be here or something. This is increase, I will increase this OP. What happens? At certain point it will become 90, right? When it is 90, this R become Y. R become Y, and here X value keep reducing, and X become 0. Agree everyone? So R become Y when it is touched here R become Y and X become 0. When it is 90 degree. When theta become 90 degree, what happens? R equal to y and x equal to 0. Now find the standard. Sin 90 equal to y by r. What is y? r by r equal to 1. Sin 90 is 1. Similarly, cos 90 x by r, x equal to 0 by r 0. Similarly, tan 90 y by x, so y by 0 undefined. Hope you are getting what I am writing. Similarly, if these three know, other three are inverse, so that means cosec 90, okay, this is 1, this is also 1, okay, sec 90 undefined, cot 90 0 by y is 0. This is how you are supposed to do. This is the standard way of writing the angles, and some relation you may create and try to remember. How you can remember this? It is very easy. Only remember sin 0 is 0 over. So if sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. These two relations you remember more than me. Or if you remember sin 0 is 0, sin 0 is 0, cos 1 is 0. Sin 0 is 0, cos 90 is sin 0 is 0, sin cos 90 is cos 0 is 1, sin 90 is 1, cos 0 is 1, sin 90 is. So these two relations, if you remember, tan is very easy, sin by cos, 0 by 1 is 0. So tan 90 will be y, yeah, undefined, or it will go infinity. Zero. Sin 90 by cos 90 equal to 1 by 0 is undefined. Sin 0 by cos 0 is tan 0 equal 0 by 1 is 0. This is how you are supposed to remember. Only you should supposed to remember sin 0 is 0. If you remember sin 0 is 0, what you can say? Again, I will tell you, repeat. Sin 0 is 0. So at 0, sin becomes 0. When this is 0, next where it will be 0. At pi, it will become 0. Remember. So sin at 0, 0, and then again it will reach x-axis at pi. Sin 90 is give 1, okay, it is positive 1. Sin 270 will give negative. So 270 negative 1. So this is where you are supposed to remember. Again at 2 pi sin becomes 0. Okay. One thing you remember, so rest it will be convex. In case of cos 0 give 1, okay, then 90 give 0, and again it will be minus 1, and this will be 0. 270 become 0. And tan you can make by sin by cos value easily. So this is one way you could remember in very simple manner. We'll see discuss 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, and other angles also. Okay. So hope you understood this basic fundamentals. See, understanding the concepts required to understand. Remember, it is different. So once you remember it, first of all you should know how you got at 0 degree and 90 degree, how to get from that standard concepts. Once you understood that concept, then only it is your skill how to remember those things. So to remember a number of things, some relation, some coordinate, some diagram you make and keep it in the mind 2-3 times and try to recall same things again and again, so that that idea will be stick on your mind and you can recall very easily. Hope you understood what I am trying to say. We'll see the other angles.